Nation, it's me, Nalina Knives, and today we are going to be doing a makeup video. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I got this look, and yeah, let's just get started. So the only palette I'm gonna be using for this look is going to be the ABH Norvina palette. I love this palette so much. So we're gonna start by priming our eyelids. So to start off, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the shade E4 on this little blending brush from Morphe. And I'm just gonna go ahead and tuck the yellow shade in the inner corner. I'm gonna go into the shade E2 and do this. And I'm gonna go in the shade B3 and just kind of like blend those two together. So now you should have like a really nice gradient. Start on the outer corner and just kind of meet the two together and build the color. So I actually like this eye a lot better than this eye so far. I did go pretty high up. I do have hooded eyes if you guys are new to my channel. So if you guys don't have hooded eyes, you do not have to do it this high up. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease using the Ultimate Coverage Crease Pro Concealer from Makeup Revolution. And I'm going to take that on a little Aesthetica eyeliner brush. You don't need a lot of concealer at all. Then I am just going to go right here above my eyelid. I am going to add the glitter in before I do anything else. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my NYX glitter glue, and I'm going to go ahead and go over right where I just did that line. You might want to start off with a little bit at a time. Make sure it is covered. Try not to get glitter glue anywhere else, because wherever you put the glue, that's where the glitter is going to stick. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab a flat brush. I'm using a BH Cosmetic flat brush. I'm going to go ahead and dip a little bit into the glitter. Shake off the excess so you have less fallout. And I'm going to go ahead and tap right on your cut crease. So if you do see that you have glitter some places, just go ahead and take a spoolie and gently sweep it away. This is why I like doing my eyes first, especially when I'm dealing with glitter. I had an eyelash glue here and now I don't. More eyeshadow primer, and I'm gonna go right here into that empty space. You can go ahead and pat it out. You don't have to. If you want, you can stop here, add a wing liner, add some lashes, and you're done. Or just add some lashes and you're done. However, I want something else. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip in the shade B3. I'm just gonna go ahead and tuck that in this corner right here. And I'm gonna bring it 1/3 of the way. So about right here. Some people call this technique stamping. And what it is just you're gently packing on pigment on your eyelid. Now we're gonna do the same thing for the yellow. And I'm gonna bring it about right here. Now I'm gonna add green. And for the green, I'm using shade B2. Add another line here, kind of like you're doing a green winged eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Epic Ink eyeliner from NYX. And I did a really big wing on this side, so I'm going to do a big wing on this side. I hope I was in focus that entire time. I really do. So I know we have a lot of colors going on already, but I'm going to go ahead and take this brown Endless Silky eye pen from Pixie. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do my waterline. This is giving me like Thanksgiving and then boom, Christmas. You know what I'm saying? You know, I feel like I would get a lot more videos out there if I had an editor. I love filming, but I hate editing. I hate it. And that is the reason why I have not been uploading. I film so many videos. It's just getting to upload them takes a long time because I have to balance, you know, being a good girlfriend, taking care of the dogs, taking care of the cats, making sure my kitchen is always clean, make sure the house is always clean in general, doing dishes, cooking, also more cleaning, laundry, pet care, you know, and it all just kind of, it takes up a lot of my time. To the point where I'm like, oh, now I have to edit. And then I'm like, also, it's bedtime. I actually had to wake up really early just to even do this video. Like, I was up at 5 a.m. and I don't even work until 11. I don't like my bangs. I don't know why. They've been really getting on my nerves lately. I'm gonna go ahead and find my hair shears. I know I should probably have them in here maybe. There was no precise anything when I just did that. So this looks really crazy right now, but we're just gonna go for editorial. It's editorial. They're like scarecrow bangs. I had a mini breakdown. I ended up cutting about 3 inches off my bangs by myself without really measuring or looking. Thank you guys so much for, you know, watching this all the way through. I cannot even express to you how long I've been wanting to just sit down and film. I swear if I had an editor, you guys would have videos like every week, maybe 2 videos every week. But, you know, life has been a little bit crazy for me right now, and I'm sure it is for you as well. So I have no problem filming. It's just the editing that takes the longest, and I can never really manage my time wisely enough to actually have the time to sit down and edit the video so you guys can actually see the videos. So yeah, that's been a major problem of mine. Also, big announcement. Not really big announcement, but if you guys don't know what Mercari is, I have one. If you guys have one, awesome, add me on there. I'm trying to get rid of so much stuff because I'm kind of turning into like a hoarder. For those of you guys who do not know, I order BoxyCharms and like a whole bunch of other things. So a lot of the makeup and skincare that I receive, I don't really want to use or just already have or things like that. So I have literally thousands of dollars worth of items that are just collecting dust. So if you guys want to help me, help you, help everyone else, you know, that kind of situation, go ahead and click the link below, shop around, and yeah, a lot of the products on there, really good deals. I bundle. If you guys want to build your own BoxyCharm with the items that I have listed on there, just shoot me a message, tell me what you want to bundle, and I'll give it to you for a really great price. So yeah, help me declutter and also help yourself to a lot of high-end skincare. So these brushes, for example, I already opened, I'm using these, but let's say I received these brushes, but I already had a pack. So I would sell the new pack, and let's say this was $50. I would probably sell it for $15. But if you guys wanted like 4 items that were, you know, already kind of knocked down, I'll probably knock it down even more and give you guys an even more better deal. Just go ahead and ask. Just ask. I have to go to work right now, so I will see you guys. Bye.